Our Beiben 6.6 all-wheel drive fuel tank truck, equipped with 14 OOR20 single large tires to achieve stable driving on complex road conditions, and it is fitted with cameras on the front, rear, left and right sides of the vehicle, with a matching display screen installed in the cab to realize real-time monitoring of the vehicle surroundings. The chassis exhaust pipe is arranged at the front position, which effectively avoids potential safety hazards caused by high-temperature exhaust smoke close to the fuel tank. The truck is equipped with a 25 cubic meter carbon steel fuel tank divided into 2 independent compartments, and the tank body supports customized customer logo printing. The vehicle is fully equipped with standard oil inlet and outlet pump systems and a flow meter, matched with a fuel dispenser, a retractable fuel hose reel and a fuel nozzle to support automatic and quantitative fuel loading and unloading operations, and all configurations comply with standard safety specifications for fuel transportation trucks.